Morning everyone. Uyu munsi twiga icyongereza umuntu duhereye kuri 0 tukazamuka tukajya ku rwego uri advanced ubasha kuvuga icyongereza. So ibi ni ibintu biranga icyongereza ugomba guheraho kumenya kugira ngo ibintu by'ibanze kugira ngo uvuge ngo jewe nize ururimi. So here is types of tenses. We have 3 main types of tenses. We have present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense ni igihe turimo aka kanya cyo bita indagihe. Past tense ni imitagihe mu Kinyarwanda cyo bita mu Kinyarwanda imitagihe. Future tense ni igihe cy'ahazaza nzagihe. So iyo uzi ibi bihe uko ari bitatu ubasha gukora interuro yuzuye, interuro ifite icyo bita grammar zuzuye zujuje ubuziranenge. So I'm going to show you what we call present tense. Present tense is divided into 4 categories. We have simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So these are categories which are in present tense. So you might wonder how these categories working together. Yes? So these categories, so far we might be in present tense, but actually tushobora kuba turi mu gihe cy'aka kanya ariko natangiye ikintu imbere y'igihe imbere y'amasaha turimo. So we have simple present. Simple present ni igihe kiranga ibintu byabaye uyu munsi ariko bifite ikintu bishingiye kuri ikintu cyitwa general truth, scientific fact, and so on and so forth. Ibintu bishingiye ku ukuri ibimenyetso. Urugero iyo mvuze ngo izuba rirasira mu burasirazuba, sun rises in east. Sun rises in east. That's a fact. Ni ibintu tuzi. It is proven. It is proved. So we are going to continue. Present continuous tense ni igihe kivuga ku bintu biri kuba aka kanya ariko bikomeje. Urugero hano turi gukora iki? Turi kwiga. How can we say that in English? What are you doing right now? Yes, you are studying English. That's what we call present continuous tense. That is an action that is happening right now. So let's continue with present perfect. Present perfect is action that has started today, but before now. Before now. That's what we call present perfect. Ni igikorwa cyatangiye cyabaye uyu munsi ariko cyabaye mbere y'aka kanya. Urugero nje kugusura nsanze watetse. Yes? Ntabwo watetse turi kumwe ariko watetse uyu munsi. You say I have cooked. Yes? So it means that action, it has happened today, but not now. Yes? Before now. That's the action we found in present perfect. And again, we see what we call present perfect continuous tense. It is an action that has been going on before now.